Greetings everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Here is the new wireless headphone that I have purchased recently, and its model is a sports sound stereo, and it comes with this set. It offers wireless sports earbuds, depth noise reduction function, and it is compatible on both Android and my iPhone, and it also offers smart compatibility including the microphone. So there's the box, and we are going to unbox it. So here is the first box. So I should take out this headphone, and you can see that it is not very long, but however it is very light. I have been using it for more than uh, 2 or 3 months, and I see that it has been a great experience, and it has a good performance with over the time. It is also a good battery life. It's due to the load shedding, and now I have turned on my flashlight. So as you can see, there are many options here, and the sound quality is awesome. You can expect a good sound quality from this cheap price. I have purchased from the local market and the price tag of 400 rupees Pakistani. So these are three options. One is for call attending and switch off. Third one and second one is for revive and backward. So here is the charging port, and these three also are for lights. As you can see, red and blue light are being blinking. So these are the special indicators for charging and the full charge. Once your device is reach full charged, it would blink.